Hello everybody, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 BMW X4 M40i. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder with 382 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This has an interesting color combo. The exterior is Piedmont red, which I don't really see that often, and Tacora red interior. I also like this trim over here. You have the M Sport steering wheel, of course, heated steering wheel, you have heated seats, you have the nice iDrive 7 in this car, backup camera with the parking sensors, you can charge your phone with the little charging port over there. Alright, well, let's walk around this X4. You have the wing mirrors, which they started putting on like the M40 products and everything like that, instead of only on full M cars. You have black wheels on this one. Since it's the X4, you obviously get the hatchback look. And then like the bumper on the facelifted X4s looks a little bit different. Looks pretty cool. And then I like how the BMW logo is the, what do you call? How to open the trunk. I don't know why the car just turned off. Here's the trunk. It's pretty nice. I like the buttons. They're like made of metal, which is nice. Here are the rear seats. Pretty cool. On the X3 and X4, the seats are definitely a little bit cramped. If you're on the taller side, it's a little harder to fit back there. But for children and small adults, it is not a problem at all. Put in Sport. Sport Plus, actually. Oh yeah, and here's the key fob. Standard BMW M key fob. I actually like this red with red combo on this car because it's not like a bright red, it's like a deep red. It doesn't actually feel like overkill, which is surprising to me. Visibility is a little bit compromised in the back because of the hatch, the slope back look. Nice, pretty quick. Yeah, these do the 0 to 60 in like the low 4-second range. Very nice. Yeah, the car is very eager to accelerate, especially in the Sport Plus. The gears hang for a little longer as well. I'm just gonna put in like the regular sport mode now. Yeah, pretty quiet in here too. These things are fast. Yeah, it's the thing is, like, you don't even need like a full X3M or X4M unless if you just want like crazy performance. But the X3 and X4 M40i will satisfy the most, really 99% of people. Most people wouldn't even use this kind of speed. Man, BMW's transmissions are just so awesome. So fast shifting. Yeah, very impressed with this car. It's got a nice drive. Looks pretty good. Handles very well. Yeah, handles very well. Typical BMW right there, right here. It's awesome. You also have gesture control in this car too. As you just saw, the icons show up. Like basically you can use your hand to change the music and stuff like that, as you just saw. I use that in my BMW M3 a lot. I used to think it was a gimmick, but I actually use it a lot. I like it. But overall, nice BMW X4 M40i right here. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new and pre-owned BMW models.